What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of 3x squared minus 2 over 2x plus 3 to the power of negative 2. For finding derivative of this function, we need to use chain rule differentiation. What does that mean, chain rule? It means that if you want to find out derivative of y with respect to x, if y is a function of u and u is a function of x, you can find out derivative of y with respect to x using derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x. For example, if you have u to the power of n, derivative will be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. Or when you have tan u, if u is the function of x, derivative is going to be u prime times secant squared u. You know, derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Let's go back to the question here. So g prime x is going to be negative 2 times 3x squared minus 2 over 2x plus 3 to the power of negative 2 minus 1 times 3x squared minus 2 over 2x plus 3 prime. So let's find out the derivative of this part, which is u over v. And that's going to be u prime v minus uv prime over v squared. Derivative of u is going to be the derivative of numerator, which is going to be 6x times denominator, which is 2x plus 3, minus u, which is 3x squared minus 2 times derivative of denominator, which is 2, over 2x plus 3 to the power of 2. So that's going to be 6x times 2x is going to be 12x squared. 6x times 3 is going to be 18x. Negative 6x squared plus 4 over 2x plus 3 to the power of 2. So we have 12x squared minus 6x squared is going to be 6x squared plus 18x plus 4 over 2x plus 3 to the power of 2. That's going to be only this part. So I need to sub it there. We have negative 2, 3x squared minus 2 over 2x plus 3 to the power of negative 3 times 6x squared plus 18x plus 4, 2x plus 3 to the power of 2. So that's going to be the final answer. You can also simplify it more by multiplying these two. Let's do that. Negative 2. We have 2x plus 3 over 3x squared minus 2. And negative 3 becomes positive. You know, when we flip it, the sign of the exponent is going to change. 6x squared plus 18x plus 4 over 2x plus 3 to the power of 2. This cancels out with the 2 here. So we have negative 2 times 2x plus 3 times 6x squared plus 18x plus 4 over 3x squared minus 2. So that's going to be the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. I will leave some related videos and playlist in description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.